I would say that kebab is an acquired taste. Pero until now, because I've been coming to this place for 30 years, and I'd say I haven't acquired it. Pero just today, I tried to figure out bakit. Kasi yung spices niya, malalakas, matatapang. And ako, open ako. In fact, gusto ko talaga yung spices. Yung mga basil, yung mga kung ano-anong halo dyan, yung curry. Gusto ko yan. Pero, hindi ko kasi talaga malasahan yung mismong mga karne nila. Wala sila nung linamnam. Naghahanap ako ng linamnam. Ako na talaga, di ba, yung expert sa food tasting. Pero, yun eh, akin lang naman. Pero I'd still come to this place again and again. Maybe because of the experience. Ang ganda kasi ng ambience. Tapos, kakaiba, hindi ko naman siya nakakain on a daily basis. So, yun lang, akin na pagtanto for today. Hello!